Here at Libs Paving, we provide seal coating for a variety of our customers, whether it's commercial, residential. Also, that comes along with that is crack filling. It's a maintenance product that allows your asphalt to last longer. Water is the #1 problem for asphalt surfaces. Over time, the top layer of asphalt oxidizes, creates pitting, and water seeps into them. The freeze-thaw deteriorates the asphalt, which is why the patching, the seal coating, and the crack filling are needed. So we recommend to our customers that they seal coat somewhere around 18 to 24 months after paving. First coats are going to be a 2-coat method to get a good layer over, so it's going to soak into that first initial application of asphalt. And after that, it's going to be every 2 to 3 years to get another seal coat, crack fill layer done. The benefits of seal coating are prolonging the life of your asphalt. It's cost efficient. It allows your parking lot to last longer instead of having to come in and do more expensive work to the product. For your seal coating needs, contact us, give us a call, fill out an application online, and a sales rep will get with you. We'll meet all your needs, get your project done in a timely manner.